And welcome into this new video. Today I'm sharing a healing anti-inflammatory chicken soup using ingredients that you already have at home for those days where you don't feel your best. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is Miss Turan. I'm a holistic nutritionist and holistic practitioner, and on my YouTube channel I only share recipes to help people build muscles, lose body fat, and keep enjoying the food you love, because my recipes are healthy and there's no any kind of restrictions. The full recipe will be on the description box below, so it's on my blog. I put the link below. You also get a free guide to help you guys build the healthy plate, my ebooks and books link as well, and also my coaching program. This recipe, it's a really simple, easy recipe. The main ingredients that you really actually need is turmeric and chicken, and then you can use any kind of veggies you want. If you do love this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's start with this amazing soup that you can make when you're feeling a little bit sick. So let's start. So for this recipe we're using some veggies that you should be having at home. So we're having some celery, carrots, onions, and 3 cloves of garlic. Everything is cooked, dice it really thinly. Then we're gonna need some chicken. This is a tenderloin chicken that I cut into small pieces. Around 1 pound of chicken. Here is coconut milk. It's a really good source of fat. Then we are having some veggie broth. So for the spices that I'm using some ground coriander, some fennel seeds, some dry basil, some turmeric of course, and a few bay leaves. I'm also adding some apple cider vinegar. So in my pot I'm gonna melt some tallow, but you can use ghee, olive oil, whatever you want. Then I'm adding my vegetables. So I'm gonna start by adding the onions, carrot, celery, and my garlic cloves into the pot. Then I'm gonna mix everything well to incorporate them all together. Then I add in my spices. Once my veggies are getting soft, I'm adding the chicken. Then I'm gonna combine the chickens with the veggies. I'm adding my veggie broth, but you can use a chicken broth. And I'm also adding the coconut milk. Around 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, salt, and I'm gonna crack some pepper. I mix everything well to combine. And I'm adding some water into the pot. And then I bring it into a boil. And when it starts to boil, I'm gonna lower the heat, cover, and let it simmer. Soup, the healing anti-inflammatory chicken soup is ready. So I'm just gonna serve a little bit into a bowl. And this soup is amazing for cold and flu symptoms, and it's ready to enjoy. So I hope you guys did love this recipe. It's amazing for colder weather, amazing if you're feeling a bit like you have a throat hurt or you're coughing, something like that. So this recipe, it's amazing for that. You can make a batch and eat a little bit every day as well. The full recipe is on the description box below, the link through my blog. You get all my books and ebooks available, so please go check them box below. If you do love this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys again for a next video. Bye.